Hello everyone. Sorry I have not been posting for a while, but I am back and I'm going to try to post at least once a week, but don't hold me to it. But anyway, if you don't know, we have recently launched the Pottle Mini. Yes, it still comes with a really cool glass wand, but now it's more portable. It's a stronger product, I believe, and it fits in nail polish racks, which is that in itself is amazing. So here we are. It doesn't have a rose gold, but we might fix that in the future. Who knows? So we're gonna start off with our plasma gel and some DND, some old DND, obviously, some CND additive effects, and some IBD Black Lava. Remember, Pottle's really about just, using what you already have to make something new, which is, it's fun and sustainable. Anyway, so here we go. We're going to add a little bit of plasma gel. And like I said, you guys, this is a product of freedom. Like, this is the, I want, like, as you can see by my little chocolate hands, I'm African American. So I'm just like, yo, I need some freedom without struggle. I need it to be easy. And this is a part of that message. I really want people to be able to do things, make things freely without having to spill it all over the place. Anyway, so I added a little D&D. We added some pigment I love. Yes. And a little bit to darken the tint of this whole thing. So add a little black lava. I said these are products that I've had for it looks like years, right? And probably years, I've dragged them all over Hollywood, And so now it's time to give them an extra life and make something new that I possibly don't have in my wardrobe already. All right, so we're going to mix. Sorry, please excuse my cuticles. We're going to mix, and mix some more, and it's looking pretty good. I really like this color. I love brown on brown, okay? So I added like a little nail so you guys can so I can swatch this a little bit easier. You guys know that I'm notorious for doing things off camera, so please forgive me. Eventually, I'm going to get on camera. I promise. And I'm there. See, look, I'm on camera. A little bit. Okay. Wait. Okay. In a minute, I'm going to be on camera. I promise. Any moment now. Oh boy. Yeah. All right. So anybody that has some, some blogger classes I can take, I gladly do it. Anyway, all right, and I'm painting. See, back to my nail blogger status. All right, let's see here. I really like this color. You guys, please drop in the comments and tell me what I should be mixing next and what you want to see. Like, what should I put in it? Do you want it to be glitter? Do you want it to be a flat color? Do you want it to be a sheer, iridescent? I mean, just tell me what you think I should be making next. Like I said, I'm going to do my best to make mixing videos every week. So let's see here. Right now I'm loving this. It's giving me some type of a shimmery coffee vibe. I really like it. I mean, I like it on my skin, so I like that brown on brown action, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, all right, so let's see. And I decided to add another coat so you guys can see what it looks like with 2 coats, and I really love it. Anyway, this is the reveal of how it looks. It only looks like we made a lot, but we did not. It probably made maybe like half of Pottle, which is like maybe 7 milliliters or something like that. And anyway, like I said, this is the new Pottle Mini. Hope you guys go pick it up today, and thanks for watching. I'll be reading your comments below. Bye.